Hit the pain points. Comprehensive analysis. Hello, I am Wu Kiliang of Kornnac's Marketing Center. From today onwards, we will launch a series of videos focusing on common empty capsule problems that bother you. In this video, we're talking about capsules coming apart. Capsules coming apart refers to the phenomenona. The locking of capsule which is filled with contents and locked is automatically released during the subsequent process, resulting in the leakage of the contents due to the separation of cap and body. The root cause of the capsules coming apart lies in the locking force between the capsule shells, insufficient to resist the internal and external forces that cause its separation. We will analyze it from these two examples separately. The locking of capsule mainly depends on the locking groove on the cap and body. If the lock groove is too shallow or the design is unreasonable, it will cause insufficient locking force. In addition, the wall thickness of capsule body is too thin and the outer diameter is too small, and the gap between the cap and body is too large, which can also cause the lock to be too loose. Capsule locking process on the filling machine is equally important. It can't be too tight, also can't be too loose. Be too tight will break the lock groove. If it is too loose, the lock will not be in place. Both of these will reduce the capsule's locking force. In addition, if the capsule uses inferior raw materials, or the environment is too dry, it will affect the toughness, elasticity and strength of the capsule, thereby reducing the locking force of the capsule. Next, let's talk about the internal and external forces that cause the capsule to separate. Internal strength is due to that. Mainly changes in ambient temperature or pressure cause the air inside the capsule to expand, and some formulations tend to produce gas, causing an increase in internal pressure and generating the pressure to open the capsule outward. There's a very important key point here. Is there a vent hole in the lock groove structure of the capsule? It allows internal pressure to be discharged smoothly. If there is not, the risk of the capsule coming apart increases, and the external force separating the capsule is caused by vibration or collision during the journey of packaging and shipping. For the above reasons, about how to avoid capsule coming apart, we have the following suggestions. Firstly, strictly control the ambient temperature and humidity to avoid the impact of high temperature, high humidity and large temperature difference. Secondly, choosing capsules which is more scientific and reasonable on design of the locking structure, collaborating with suppliers who have good reputation and stable product quality. Thirdly, adjusting filler locking station to the most suitable parameters to make sure the capsule locks securely. The locked capsules can be randomly checked regularly. Pinch by hand or use a capsule locking strength tester to check if it is easy to loosen. Fourthly, for formulations that are prone to gas production or dilution, you can consider improving the prescription or using more sealed packaging materials. The coming apart of empty capsules is a complex issue, and there are many other factors. If you also encounter such difficulties, welcome to contact us.